we have some breaking inputs coming in. 11 CPM workers have now been arrested for vandalizing and looting a temple in Palakkad in Kerala. Remember, there have been three such incidents where there has been violence reported across Kerala. Let's go across to my colleague Ashwin now for more on this. Ashwin, latest updates coming in. 11 CPM workers have now been arrested.
Correct. This temple which was attacked in Palakkad, the Subramania temple which has been attacked, now it has been clear that 11 people has been arrested and they all belong to the CPIM. Among the 11 people there are CPIM, the Congress, the left parties, the area committee members are also included. So the various charges have been charged against them, especially charges such as hurting religious sentiments and in fact creating enmity between communities. So all these charges have been leveled against them. Very serious charges. More importantly, it again brings this whole attention to the violence unleashed by the CPIM, the ruling party in the state, which in fact had swept the elections. So with just a few seats that BJP had taken over, they made significant strides, and in those places where they made significant strides, this kind of attack is being witnessed, and at various places this has happened. So this arrest is significant. It questions the very democratic values of the government in question, as well as the CPIM is certainly a target now. They are really answerable because a temple has been attacked. Something like this can probably happen only in a place like Bangladesh. Here in a democratic country like India, a temple being attacked and no questions being raised is something which is concerning.
In fact, Ashwin, the BJP has also in fact given out a warning stating that this kind of an act and law and order situation that has been created in the state will not be tolerated. At the same time, can this also be a case that in a way the BJP and their workers are being targeted for making big inroads in the polls?
Correct. These are not isolated incidences after the election which has happened. There has been several incidences in the state, especially I was just speaking to the state BJP secretary, and he was saying just in Kollam itself there are 4 incidences of violence, and even an auto rickshaw has been completely destroyed and vandalized. So violence is unleashed by the CPIM as per the BJP sources. They are saying there has been rampant violence across all the districts, but what has come forth, the videos that we are flashing now, the one at the temple and the violence which has happened at the RSS Karyalay in Alleppey are significant, and it is concerning because these are very carefully planned attacks, and this is a show of being a bully. A government which is being a bully is definitely against democratic principles.
All right, thank you so much, Ashwin, for getting us that latest breaking update. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this.